Guys, it's dinner time now. Kakain na kami ni Talia. Ang ulam namin is nilagang baboy. And Talia likes Baguio beans, cabbage. And where's your mango? Yung mango mo and patis. Okay? Tama na na.
Papa, may pang tayo ka.
Mamaya yan. That's your rambutan. Okay. Ciao.
Hi guys, I just finished eating dinner. And then after dinner, I'm eating rambutan.
So what's the taste of that rambutan?
This is the seed.
But plenty thorns. See, look. Oh, it's thorny.
Not that much.
So what's the taste? Yummy? 7:30 and Talia just finished eating rice, cabbage, nilaga, and rambutan. Now she is. And what are you doing there again, anak? Are you a teacher?
Yeah.
Come on, you eat that. Mama will get you.
1,000 square meter na lugar.
Eat first, there. There, put sa bawang.
Is this man?
Nilaga. Tell mama to after buying your dress to take you to the doctor, okay? So that you will not be peeing anymore. Huh?